everyone, today we are making marble cake. You need flour, baking powder, a whole bar of dark chocolate, butter, 5 eggs, vanilla extract, and sugar. First, we're going to separate the yolk from the white. Only from 4 eggs. Crack the eggs and you put it in here.
See?
And then put it in the big bowl. Well, this technique did not work, so we have to do it like this. And then you put it in here. We have 4 yolks in here and a full egg. Now we add half a cup of sugar and then we start mixing. It's normally very messy, and then you add it in here. Let's start mixing the yolk with the sugar. When it starts getting whiter, that means it's ready. Now we're gonna add the baking powder, all of it. We need 3/4 of a cup of flour. And we put it in. Mix well before you put it inside the eggs. Now put the melted butter inside the eggs. Then put a little bit of the flour inside. Make sure you mix with your hands first before you activate it, because or else it'll splash everywhere. And then you keep adding. Okay, now, like you're done with the mixer, take this out. Get everything out. Now we're gonna put the whole bar of dark chocolate in the microwave. It took about 2 minutes to melt. Now you gotta put about half of this, of the batter. Ask an adult to help you. And then start mixing. Now we're gonna put a teaspoon of vanilla in the white mixture. Careful, it might spill. Oops. Oh. That did spill. Now we're gonna start beating the whites. Don't stop until it's finished. Now that you see the whites that is standing up on its own, that means it's ready. Now we're gonna put half of the whites in one batter and another half in the other batter. Mix very gently so the whites can't collapse. Now we're gonna put the parchment paper inside the thing where you put the cake. Squeeze it in like this. And you put it in. Now we're gonna put the chocolate batter inside. Now that we've put in both of the batters, we're gonna have to put it in the oven. Ask an adult to put the cake inside. Now let's see how the cake went. Ask an adult to take the cake out, stick something in, and then you do like this. If it's dry, that means it's ready. If it's wet, that means it's not ready. And it's ready. We'll let it cool and then we'll taste it in a bit.